Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas and Welding Supply. We're here today to check out a new product that Miller came out with for their helmets. So they just came out with these new light mount kits for the T94 and the Digital Elite Infinity Series helmets. This kit here fits all of them. This one just fits the T94. That's how they come in a little blister pack. Batteries, 2 lights, 2 holders, and then new hardware for the to screw onto your helmet. So let's check this out. I'll show you one that I got done. So that's what it looks like on the side of your hood right now. And then it toggles back and forth so you can adjust where you want the light. On switches in the back. Pretty cool, very bright little light. Let's flip it around to the other side. So this is your typical tightening knob on the side of the helmet. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that off. This just unscrews. You got this little rubber gasket. Now what we're going to do, this is the new piece that it comes with. It just goes right down in there. You reuse that rubber gasket, put it in there. Put your light there. And then you reuse the nut that it came with on the helmet. And then there you go, it toggles back and forth. Pretty simple, easy to install. Helmet looks pretty cool with them on there. The standard blister pack, new hardware like we discussed before, takes a standard AAA battery, lasts about 5 hours. It's pretty lightweight. I tried it on this hood welding with it. It adds, I should say, the pieces are lightweight, but when you add it to the helmet, it adds a little weight. Very bright, lit up the workpiece well, and like I said, they'll go for about $40. So if you use that promo code Light It Up, you get $5 off with the purchase of a helmet. So come check them out at bakersgas.com, and thanks for watching my video.